Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Wright Hustle. We got some DS Lite consoles that we're gonna work on today. Well, we're just gonna check them out. Feeling a little under the weather today. Would have been a flea market day, but not feeling good. So we're just gonna check out these consoles that I bought. These are still part of that lot of 30, and all we're gonna do today is just go through them. So here's 4 of them. Should go pretty quick. Gonna be a quick video. Maybe, I don't know. Might take longer. Who knows? There's our 4. Oh, I'm sorry. There's 5 consoles there. Anyways, let's see what we got. So let's move these aside over here. See, there's part of that. We've got a blue one with a broken hinge. It's gonna be our first console. It's got power. Alright, top screen is damaged. You can see it right there. This one's pretty much foobar. What we are going to do is we're going to test it to see if it plays DS games. And if it plays the DS games, it's always a plus. So I'm just going through it now. Alright, we got a Mario Kart. That sounds healthy. Yeah, so it picked up Mario Kart, so. Alright, let's give it a. Oh, there it goes. The screen came back on for a bit. Ah, I guess at a certain angle. It's pretty weird there, see? Well, now that I know it does that, we might be able to throw a rubber band on it. Let me grab a rubber band real quick. Let's see if it makes a difference. I like to sell these with the rubber band when they're broken on the hinge. So let's see if this helps out. It can at least help us keep the screen standing. Oh, look at that. D-pad is good. Left is a little sticky. We got Yoshi. Gonna see if the buttons all work. A works, B works. There goes the screen again. Alright. So the only bad thing about this one is we've got a broken hinge and we've got that top screen that comes in and out. And here's our next one. This one looks like it's got a little bit of damage up here too. You guys see that right up there? Yeah, there's some cracking right there. This one's not going to work. And we're looking at it right here. You can see a huge difference on the way it's set up. Let's open it up. Where's my screwdriver? And take the battery out. Maybe if we replace the battery with a known working battery, I'm gonna get it to fire up. I don't know. I seriously doubt it. Or it might not even have a battery at all. It could be that as well. So it feels kind of light. Yeah, so there was no battery in it. Excuse me. Well, let's see if we get anything at all. Oh. That is going to be a bad top screen. Or bad bottom screen. Yeah, bad top screen. Do you see how the screen in the bottom flickers for a little bit? And that lets you know that it is a bad top screen. So this one, no bueno. This one I'm going to probably tear up in parts and sell the board. We'll test the board with something else. But that's not a good console at all. Broken hinge and bad top screen. This one's looking bad as well. This one at least has power. Yeah, both screens are trash. This batch was pretty bad, considering we've had some decent ones. But you can see there's damage here on the bottom screen. You can see it there, and then there's damage on top. And then we have damaged top screen. We got broken hinge. The A button is not working. That's not good either. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw Mario Kart in there, so when we fire it back up, we'll see if Mario Kart picks up. This is another bad console. It happens when you buy as is. It's part of the game. You win and you lose. This one's a loss, just like the previous one. Major loss. Alright, it does pick up Mario Kart. So, you know. Oh, she died. She went kaput. Yeah, battery's dead. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This is not looking well. Oh, finally one that is not broken on the hinge. We do have power. And we got a bad top screen. Excellent. We're on a roll, guys. I'm trying to throw Mario Kart in there too. That doesn't sound very good. So we might have a possible bad cartridge slot for the DS, which is not good either. Bear with me, we're just going through the buttons to get this to reset, and it's going to ask me to turn it off. Right there, then we'll fire it up. Oh yeah, so it didn't pick up Mario. Let's give it a little love. Bounce that game in and out a couple of times and see if it makes a difference. It's a good shell. We've got a good shell. Alright, we got Mario Kart. All the buttons work so far. It's gonna be hard to test because top screen is completely FUBART. Goes back. Yeah, I can hear it bouncing. Okay. So this one's got a bad top screen. Luckily, the board seems to be good, so I guess that's a win. And our last one today, it's a blue colored one. These are pretty colors. Alright. Top screen also is FUBART. Wow. This was a bad batch right there that we just got. Let's see if he'll pick up Mario Kart. It did not. Alright, let's give this one a little bit of love. Sometimes it needs that fresh breath. Yeah, picked up Mario Kart. It's so hilarious. Let's try that again. I don't know why I turned it back off. But there you go. Mario Kart. Nope. Top screen's coming back. Ah. It only wants to play in that position. Okay, so Wright does not work. Yeah, it seems like everything else is working. You got the bouncing and everything. Oh, there goes Wright. I guess I need a little love there. Yeah, if you move the screen at all, you can see it flickering in and out. And there we go. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better tomorrow. And if so, tomorrow I'll be heading out to do some toy hunting. If not, we'll do another DS video or maybe even get some work done. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll catch you next time.